Teknatool have upgraded the Supernova. Right, as I said in the previous video I did on chucks, I'm in the process of upgrading all my chucks to the Supernova 2. Right, there's right, Teknatool have upgraded the chuck in a few ways. Right, this is the old one with the 2-inch jaws in it, and this is the new one with the 4-inch jaws in it. I had all the jaws, so it was just a case of buy a chuck. Right, on the backs, they have lengthened the collar here, right, and seem to put a wider ring on it. I suppose it's for ease of use or something, I don't really know. Flip them over and you've two different colour plastics. I've read the back of them, they both read exactly the same, so I'm guessing they're just differentiating between it. Excuse me. Right. On the fronts, the only change is the screws. The old ones, which are black, are your normal hex drive. The new ones, which are silver, are a star drive. Right. The main difference is the thing that everybody used to give out about. Right. To close the chuck in, you went to the left. To open the chuck out, you went to the right. On the new one, to close the chuck in, you go to the right, and to open it out, you go to the left. It's a more natural way of doing it, and all other chucks are done that way. So they've obviously listened to people talking about this, and they've changed the way it goes to the more natural way. If that was putting people off buying a Supernova, that problem is now solved, because they're doing it the same way as everybody else. The one thing to watch for if you are going to buy one, right, is to check if it's the new style or the old style. The old style will still have the loosen and tighten backwards, and the new one has it going the right way. So I hope that was useful. And as I said, just a quick update that Teknatool have actually seemed to have listened to people and have turned their chuck around. So, see you in the next one.